10 of the most expensive mega-construction projects in the world. Sydney Opera House, $1.2 billion. The Sydney Opera House is an iconic building that required over 10,000 construction workers to build. The high cost was due to the unique design, which required the construction of a series of large concrete shells. Burj Khalifa, $1.5 billion. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the world's tallest building, standing at 828 meters. The high cost is due to the unique and complex engineering required to construct such a tall building, as well as the luxurious materials used. The Palace of the Parliament, $4 billion. Located in Bucharest, Romania, this palace is the world's second largest administrative building, after the Pentagon. The building required 1,000 architects and engineers, 700,000 tons of steel and bronze, and 3 decades to complete. The Large Hadron Collider, $10 billion. The LHC is a particle accelerator that is used to study the fundamental particles that make up the universe. It required the construction of a 27 km tunnel, as well as numerous underground experimental chambers. The Channel Tunnel, $15 billion. The Channel Tunnel, also known as the Channel, is a 50.5 km railway tunnel that connects the UK with France. It required the construction of 2 tunnels, as well as multiple shafts and access tunnels, making it one of the most complex engineering projects ever undertaken. Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macau Bridge, $20 billion. This bridge spans the Pearl River Delta and connects Hong Kong, Macau, and Zhuhai in China. It required the construction of a 6.7 km tunnel and a 29.6 km bridge, making it one of the world's longest sea-crossing bridges. Crossrail, $23.7 billion. Crossrail is a new railway line being built in London to provide a faster and more efficient mode of transportation across the city. It is an incredibly complex project that requires digging deep tunnels under the city, as well as constructing numerous new stations. The Great Man-Made River Project, $25 billion. This project involves constructing a massive underground pipeline system that transports fresh water from Libya's southern desert to its coastal cities. The high cost is due to the massive scale of the project, which includes over 1,000 wells, numerous pumping stations, and a vast network of pipelines. High Speed 2, $111 billion. HS2 is a high-speed rail project in the UK that aims to connect London with major cities in the Midlands and North. The high cost is due to the complex engineering required, as well as the significant amount of land acquisition and environmental mitigation measures needed. International Space Station, $150 billion. The ISS is the most expensive construction project in the world, built in collaboration with 5 space agencies. It required the use of cutting-edge technology, numerous launches, and over a decade of construction to complete. These construction projects are among the most expensive in the world due to their size, complexity, and the use of advanced technology and materials. Additionally, many of these projects require significant environmental mitigation measures, extensive land acquisition, and coordination with numerous stakeholders, which further add to their cost.